Hello, I'm Tyler Edlin, and welcome to this series of video lessons focusing on character development and design presented by 3dbuzz.com. I'll be using Photoshop CS6 as my tool to build a character based on a brief background I'll come up with. So I'll start by exploring the character archetype based on their traits and personality to help me discover the essence of this character in a brief exploratory sketch. After that, I'll dive into shape design and silhouettes, exploring the costume design that will be drawn onto the final pose. At this point, I'll pretty much have the character's design figured out using only value and shape, so I will provide some tips and tricks to coming up with color schemes. And before beginning the final illustration or character concept, I emphasize the importance of reference in terms of pose, character type, and even anatomy, so I show my personal reference collection for the character. Alright, and then finally I will wrap up this course by taking an in-depth look at my process in generating a character concept or illustration. I will be showing the materials, the pose, the gesture, and the lighting. So thank you for watching and enjoy.